Hello all and welcome back to Shankar's Feet on Cloud. I I know that it's been long that I have uploaded the video, any demo video for any particular topic, but trust me, today I'm back with new interesting topic that is DR, like disaster recovery to maintain high availability. So first we'll talk about some basic stuff, how you can recover EC2 instance, you standalone EC2 that doesn't have any associations with. So this is the EC2 instance. I am already logged into this instance with logged out on me. So let me restart the session. The reason I am logged in just to show you, I have created a file here, and the file, let's do ls dr test. Okay, so this file is nothing but a test file just to see that whether this file will be restored if I terminate this instance. Okay, so the content of this file is file to be restored. It should be like this only. So I am going to close this session for now. And what I'll do is, so in order to recover, you should have the MI available. So just to save you time, what I did, I went here, image and templates. I created the image, entered image name and everything by default, and click on create image, and your image will be created, and it will be located here in the AMIs, which I have already done. So it takes time, so you should wait for the status to become available. Once it is available, you can test it further, how you can retrieve if you have the AMI backups available. So this is the manual AMI backup I have taken. You can schedule the AMI backup, which I'll cover in next videos. And for now, I'll go ahead and terminate this instance just to show you how you can recover the file and everything that is configured on this EC2 instance. So let's go ahead and say terminate. Now meanwhile it is terminating, I'll go ahead and click AMI's actions, or I can say launch instance from AMI. I'll say dr test, and certain configurations it has taken from the existing AMI. That previous AMI was of Ubuntu, and everything is like that. Instance type we can change, modify in our new EC2 instance, but I'll keep it as is. And Shankars is the key pair that I have created, and it was there in the existing instance as well. And I'll keep everything as is. I'll do the security group change because it has the SSH open, and we'll have to connect and to see whether that file is there or not. So I'll say launch instance, and since this is a personal account, everything is here in the on the personal account. So what I'll do is I'll click this. There are two instance clicked, and let me check what is which is the second instance. So dr test, the other one we just terminated. So I'll take the public IP from here, and we'll say I'll open putty, and in putty what I'll do is ubuntu at the rate public IP, and I'll connect to it using the Shankar's authentication key like this, and quickly show you if that file is there. See, it is there. See, so that's how you can recover, although it is in initializing state, but it will soon convert into 2 by 2, and no issues with it. But the concern here is in an enterprise level, you don't do it manually. You always want to automate this process. So how you can do it, I'll cover this in my next videos. We'll gradually increase the level of difficulty on setting this up, so that it will be an interesting stuff for you. You won't get bored, trust me. So stay tuned. I'll be back with the next videos for some kind of upgradation. Thanks for watching.